Yahoo! Prof here, and we've got another Poke Haul video for you. Almost got you there, I bet. Let's take a look here. Well, yeah, that's a mouse. This is the COVID Cooler Master MM711. Yeah, that finally came, shipped. I own it now. Look at that. Some people thought that wasn't going to happen anymore, and I was one of them. And it just showed up oddly shipped from Newegg. Whatever, you know. So first up here, that is a Walmart bag. I stopped at Walmart for some more matte black Dragon Shields. Da 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 da. Cause I'm almost up. That's all I got left in there. And while I was there, it's in the same section as the Pokemon's cards, and turns out I lucked out. Dang straight I lucked out. They actually had one more of these, but I already had it. It was the chandelier one, which you guys might have seen previously. If not, look back or watch our previous video. With that subscribe button and the bell dinger thingy. Yeah. So I already have opened the fourth one that goes with the Luxray here. But they had these guys. Cool. I've found those before. Like I said, I had one of them. Then there were just two random Darkness Ablaze packs. Yeah, cool. And they had one other thing that I have really been looking forward to. And that is the first partner pack. This has the 3 oversized cards and 2 boosters in there. Was really looking forward to that. Was sad that I did manage to get the thingy that goes with it. Here, right there. We haven't opened that yet, but that'll get opened with it. That's the booklet that comes with the 25th anniversary Pikachu. So, yeah, that I must have hit it at the right time. Thursday apparently was a good day to go, and yeah, so I'm happy about that. Good stuff. But not only did they have these here, right? So that's Rebel Clash, Vivid Voltage, and some individual Darkness Ablaze, which I think is the most common right now. Even from Best Buy, like they always have Darkness Ablaze. Like I can order 5, everybody can order 5, and they still got some. I don't know if nobody wants it or what's going on there, but yeah, if you want Darkness Ablaze, you can get yourself into Darkness Ablaze pretty easily. And then next up here, we have another Walmart bag. Right there, right? And these were there as well. And I picked up quite a few, but there were quite a few more there. Oh, what's that? Is that Battle Styles? That's not even out yet, technically. My Amazon stuff that I pre-ordered has not shipped and will not be here till like midweek next week. But what's all this? Huh? Is this Battle Styles? Sure looks like Battle Styles. Uh-oh. Alright, I got... It's like 4 or 5 of each, roughly. There you go. Tyranitar. So, yeah. Not only did I happen upon them restocking the stuff I've seen there before, you saw over here, we got Battle Styles. Quite a few as well. So here's the question. Do I open them like Tyranitar? And then, forget what that dude is. I have one over here. Empoleon. Do I open like the stack of Tyranitars, the stack of Empoleons, or do I grab one from each? And then that's the video. Get what I'm saying? Because I generally only do like 4 to 5. Unless the specific box has more. So let me know what you guys think on how I should crack these open. and we'll get to doing that, you know? I really need to get more sleeves. Ideally not black ones, because I want to be able to write on them. And since I'm venturing out in other colors, as long as they're a light color, I might take a look at my own Amazon affiliate link, paid link down below in the description for the Dragon Shield shipped and sold by Amazon matte in various colors. They didn't have yellow the last time I was trying to get it, however. So we'll have to see what other colors are on there. But then there's more. We're doing an infomercial now, I guess, or something. We gotta pile these guys up here. Hey. 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 All right. So that's today's haul, technically. But there's more. So Best Buy came through. And let's get this over here. Alright, well, we're back. I forgot that they had pickup labels on every single individual pack, because that's how they come through. Finally got Vivid Voltage through Best Buy. They haven't had it previously in stock. Then we got some Breakpoint, some Steam Siege, and some Darkness Ablaze. And then previously you saw me pick... dropping it. Previously you saw Squares, actually, because he picked them up for me. Some Rebel Clash. So I think I'm missing one yet. Tell me which one it is. Normally there were 5. If you add Vivid Voltage, that should make 6. I forget which one of these we're missing here. Or maybe I wasn't able to pick up that one this time. But usually once Best Buy restocks, I can catch it early in the morning. And they generally cap you out somewhere in 5 or 3. Like Steam Siege is 3. The rest are 5. A lot of the tins are 3. I think the Pokeballs were 5, I want to say. I think the ones that came in are right over there. So those came in with these Rebel Clash guys over here. Best Buy is one of the places where you cannot choose. Like if you want a specific Pokeball, like say you wanted the newer level ball, that ain't happening. But yeah, these all came in today as well. I mean, some of them have been, have been there. I just finally went and picked them up because I was over there. And I think if there is a 6th one, it still hasn't come in. Like I think tomorrow is the day when it's supposed to show up. I'll have to double check that online. Some of these I've ordered almost 2 weeks ago now. I don't know if Best Buy pre-sell stock or something, or if it just takes them that long to get it out. But you can order actual individual packs online, which booster packs, which is I don't really see that anywhere. Maybe a booster box you can get online, but you otherwise would not be able to buy a hang. They call these are they sleeved boosters, I think, or something like that. I call them hang tag boosters. But yeah, so this came in, or I picked up today. It wasn't really a haul from today. That was Walmart though. Cherry. Now I gotta fit them in there. I fear I may need a bigger box for my booster packs from Best Buy. Is that a good problem to have? Let me know. And yes, we have more to come. Wop 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 wow. A full week Pokemon haul. So in here we also have a couple of things that came in from Amazon. These are Amazon warehouse deals. We had one more Shining Fates Pikachu V-Box. That was actually under $20, which is the normal price. It should sell at. Whether or not it's legit, it's taped with Scotch tape. The likelihood of that being legit then just plummeted down about 85-90%. Leafy on here seems pretty solid, but we'll have to see. It does feel heavy enough to actually have card packs in it, unlike my Edelgauss and Bolt-On tins that I got via Amazon warehouse. I think it was the Edelgauss ones that literally it just had the front card in. There were no packs, not even repacked packs in there. There's just no packs. And Amazon Didn't even take, like, that's why if you see 5 down, I didn't have, 5 tins. I still don't have any legitimate ones. I have one damaged Edelgauss V box that was, like, actually had contents, but no other. Realistically, though, since I have 2 nice tins and I have the promo cards from it, I'm just looking for the third one, whichever that is. I forget. But yeah, they just told me to keep them, like, throw them out, keep them, whatever, because they didn't want them for returns anymore. So hopefully Amazon's cracking down on, like say if I pop this open or this open and the packs are just stuffed with bad cards or pre-opened or whatever. Hopefully they're taking care of that now. Yeah, so we got these 2 in from Amazon Warehouse over the weekend. So it's been almost a whole week since I did a Pokemon haul, since Preston was over with his system to get that 3080 put in, so check out that video. And also, here's what I've got from the, as a sneaky peek here, this is what I've got from the Meowth VMAX boxes. I had a whole bunch of those, which have some of my favorite packs in them, and that's what I all pulled. You don't see any good stuff on the top there, but in there, I can guarantee you there's some mint stuff there, mint stuff. The rest of this you guys have seen before, and we just have to get to opening it. Alright, well, to cap this off, because I'm saving that Pikachu V10 for opening all, not V10, Pikachu V box, for opening all of them at once, just like I did with the Meowth VMAX, how about we take a look at that Leafeon tin?